Today, you did it wrong. You did it at the wrong time.
You hit it wrong. Let's do a song.
No, Tommy, stop real quick. You gotta let me do my intro.
Okay.
For today's video, we're jumping an RC car backwards over that ramp. Tell me when you're ready. Did you guys see that jump? That was the sickest jump ever. You got it.
Oh man, I heard plastic. We're good.
Okay. Now he's gonna do a backwards jump off the ramp. Didn't work that time, so we're gonna do it again. This thing is so cool.
Alright, line her up.
It's been charging for a while, so we've been playing with this thing for almost an hour. Probably more than an hour, right? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, we landed! It stuck the landing!
Did you get it?
I got everything.